Mommy Esther. Irovie no marovie ne irovie odio. U fuck up eh? Then on moi kono huoni. O ma keke no de pampas. O ma keke no de pampas. O bueno eti uwe. On a to spam you any. Again, I say quiet. Then the two of them could go find their life. Because you pampered them. You make them know say yes. I'm the queen that you are. Mommy, lady of son, let me tell you. You see these children when you born. Now ungrateful children. Even if you like cut your neck. You see the happiness when you get, they don't need them. They will not blame their useless father. They will not blame, David will not blame his useless father. David blame me papa. He not blame me papa. Oh. His father abandoned him. Left him. Remarry. His papa don't know how much be school fees. Una they crazy or walk beluga any the air. Una say we don't know Esther's story. Esther's story be like book. We all of us read. The time when Esther go they sing, he go they cry. He go Saga we me dave me, he talk away. Ogare no dokyo ya no me oh. You go know say that woman they sing. She they cry when she they sing that song. Ogare no dokyo ma me ve no roma oh. Oh mon dan, see me, not be all belly that they live. Not be all belly that they live. Some Pikin when grow up today, suppose pass blood come out abortion. You go just pay doctor say flush am. Flush am. Entitlement. Even as he's grown, he's still feeling entitled. Thank you so much. As grown as he is, he's still feeling entitled. Even when he don't give woman belly, when woman don't boy Pikin. David is still feeling entitled. Thank you so much, guys. He is still feeling entitled. My mama not do this. My mama drive me come up for a house. You are a man. My mama, because of saying now, your mama, the life Esther Doba is living today, she built it for herself. Even when that woman went insane. Even when that woman went insane. The life Esther Doba is enjoying today. A boy in a bay, you don't see him on a bed of roses. He don't see him because he depend on his papa and his mama. I bet a game of Beluga, I make game of Tana. If Esther Doba he depend on his mama and his papa, if he still there inside bush today, they regular. If Esther Doba he depend on his family, oh yeah, oh red bordon, oh in your bordon, no ya live anyone who's what the feet. No, see me, Esther Doba you still the beg to take feed you. You don't go school now. The school when you go, now to follow your mama, they challenge. They insult your mama husband. Una when they marry, mona take careful. Not marry pampa the Pikin. Or more na pampa. Umeti koketi do. David, you know your mama say your mama get many enemies. Or for your maid, you are coming to bring her down. You were threatening her that you want to bring her to the media. You know say your mama get many enemies. Omono menegbe. Omono no go back bije. So all this why they were bullying your mother, you were happy about it. Esther have the right to remarry. She's a young lady. Esther never reached 50 years. If at all. She has every right to remarry. She's one of the most successful women in Edo State who fought to be where she is today. Thank you so much. Have more done. Okay, why Latina? Una ido gbono ewo to gu egbijue. Benu gbijue ri omo agbo. Uhiera ne. Venera makoko we ma be koke no vie. Venera be filo we kwa. Uwe momo fwane. Uma be koke no vie. Ijuo be koke no vie no nya. As your papa abandon una, you don't see abandon the one when you go. Legacy. Awaiting landlord. Or more you could never even. David Dilare. If you see people like David, they made it for first one for Benin. People like David, the many professors of Benin, feeling entitled. You will carry a shower they come from my house. And faster you don't know say to the sweet, you go and rent your house or you build your house. You don't feel they carry a shower they come my house. Erame on web be you say. Who build where you say then? Madam, I will sing one year. Erame on where you know. Erame where you know. Eri gwalo nu wewe ni yene uga we ni yene oga gogo. Now we hear am when you sit down. We see the grow when you say oga gogo ne o ogi gba oge ne se o era ne nu we bi ye so gbi what you say. Which one be so na kai hear me? I to fix my phone. Now that they hear, oh now what Jesus? What I enter? Now that they hear me, sorry, what I enter. Thank you, sis. You want to compete your mama for us? You don't know say me agbije be dia. Me agbije be dia. Forget the nyama when we dey do when we dey fight ourselves. Me agbije be dia. We beg a TikTok in here. Can na learn you know. You feel you see me and another person tomorrow we just dey break our head go on gbiju. E mati ese. We go amujwe la dia do gbiju. Then we go live wetin we get. We go drop our differences. We will beat you into house. You say you get career. Now so you want to get the career. Then the career built on your mother's name. The same mother you want to ridicule. Career built on your mother's name you want to ridicule. If not be Esther, by you, who know your ugly face? Who know your ugly face, Chihuahua? You need a money ya feri ya hold you. Ede ya hold you ya unu nyama vena gopia isan. Abu gyo hori vana mi wa biele ya un teu gwa hana bie yiju waru gwa ha ona biele yiju waru then when is ni jwe ga enjoy egbe ni jwe na ga enjoy egbe o e bagwa wa eti gbe wa miere bo gbiyan wala wa ladian ima gwe le David body go tell you. Body go tell you. Body go tell you. Lady of Song not even tell us to leave you. She not go fit tell us to leave you. Since you are a wayward son, a waiting landlord, prodigal child. My mama, you need to get in the car. My mama not give me car. My mama not give me house. My mama not give me toto. My mama not. No. At least if you dey fuck all those guys when you bring your mama for come dey help you, they open the leg when you dey put the brick. For your age. Rapper when I don't buy for my mama for Holland, this I don't feel counts. I dey repeat rapper like I not gonna say I don't buy this. Thank you, mommy. I not gonna say I don't buy this particular rapper. I go buy the rapper again. Now so I tell the buy for my mama. You see all these false sons, all these are waiting landlords. Here in Puvedo, people like this David. When they even they pray me their mama buy, made them for carry house, carry car. O salon no here de no ten lady of song. O ma de boy ni. Ije keke vidi wo vie property ya. Lady of song. Moi ti lo vi go we. You u there you go we. You see me take care of that small one when it does small now. That one at least now something that they do for my family. If you wear what they go leave you. The one way life see straight they go face on. Now only that baby, that last born, I be the one way life straight now. Face that baby. You see these three. You don't try. You don't try, mama. Enjoy your money. Go holiday with your husband. Chop as you like. The one where you chop remain. The one where you chop remain. Chop again. Make sure say you empty the account. If it's possible, sell that house. Go stay with a bagua for us. Let them not see anything when they want to hear it. Our money could have you in me. Make sure say they don't see anything. You see all this one? You see all this? All these are waiting landlords. They don't want to. Mommy, yes, sir. If you think that this boy will become one big person tomorrow, he don't want to. He believes that you don't already do. As you don't already do, now he's supposed to enjoy him now. Even when you never die. Now he's supposed to enjoy him now. Any if you want to drive any car, say has the first son. I don't pass. I don't buy you first son. You go, you carry the car, my mama car. If you give her a chance, if you carry a she will come your bed. You see, a old deportee that deported himself. Who they go abroad, they deport himself because he believe say he no want struggle. He in the UK, David. No vie doctor, he believe say yare UK. Si he gan wina ya pay B. He gan wina ya pay over. He gan wina ya riye. So he does not want that. He went back to the country where he will not have to pay anything. He just have to go. Oh yes, no. Oh yes, lady or song, no. Oh yes, no. Mais jamais. Nothing. Mais jamais. Il jamais a lady of song. Mo vie not dion. Oh vie not bien. Mo wa vie not bien. Nothing. Nothing. You don't know my mama. You know my mama be. You know my mama be, but you don't know how your mama say reach there. And the woman not say the wayward. Before shame and disgrace come, now the woman and her husband be carry them. Oh yeah, do what ya webo. The woman don't see the kind of children where she born. We na emo and area many. The woman don't already see the kind 3 children where she born. Say, if I leave these children here, man, what I build all these years go spoil. We now we sabi analyze things because we don't see life. Let the woman, the man where they cost today. If not be a padestiny a bagua, a UK nujon na agbe 2 days. Ugaje. If not be padestiny a bagua, your sisters when do give away with children, when start to born for early stage in life, therefore not enter UK. Your late uncle Mhiiz, blessed so rest in peace. Over here, UK. You see ungrateful children. Una when they marry some single mothers. The children so blood not be waiting that they do good for. David and his siblings. Now the same blood when they papa vein. Now they run for those veins. Nothing good can come out of that blood. If nothing good come out of their papa, you know, this boy never come here, his stupid father one day. This boy never come here, his useless father one day. He never come drag a foolish father for us, may we help and drag him. But he decided to drag the one when give him shelter, when give him food, when pay school fees, when give him clothes, when give him life. Yes, over pampering. Over you know, Oma over when me done. Oma can go work correct, get correct. Let them correct them. See, people like David. I have who my fear will be. See, do long gratitude. For who? Your mama. For us? No. We will know the value of mama. Will beat you in the house. We go beat you in the house. If you have been beaten Esther, don't buy you inside the house. Beat her inside the house. Let's ask for beaten. No concern us. But the day you choose to bring it to public, and we know what she has done for you, the children, that day, that woman has been through a lot on this media. Ha! She and her husband have faced the highest bully. And you, the child, that knows what your mom has been through, that sees everything that your mother went through on this app, you decide to come again to come and give us what? Something to talk about your mom. All of us know say your mama, he married. She not hide the fuck. Everybody know what see a bagua do. Oh, a bagua they shop your mama money. Not be where they for do they for the shop. If a bagua not pick your mama, the time we say pick your mama, clean your mama, build your mama up. Your mama for build one local musician for Benin today when nobody know. If a bagua not style your mama, bring your mother, turn her to model musician. When people go like, make her not big people. Your mama go be. You see many Benin musicians, all those women. When they Benin, where they say yes, now once in a while, we tell them, now your mama for Benin, war. You have more David. A background work be there. A niche working there, and your zegish working. Each one have webo live webo there now. Go to bed live webo after your mother deported herself. Now a pay back walk by my say no redo. Down with susu. Idiots. Why background not going to eat the fruit of his labor? After everything he has done for Esther, you just say only your mama get what you do for her. We know they see. We know they see everything, every road, everything with that man back cut, every road with that man cross, everything with that man cross, just to make Esther one of the best. Put her where she is. You want to come beat your mama? Maybe we can Esther where? Iba bo muao. Iba bo oriyan muao. Agbodi on boy. Agbodi on boy David. Agbodi on boy David.